What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you a new tweak that you should download. This tweak brings dynamic island-like features to the notch devices on supported handsets running iOS 13 or iOS 14. This tweak makes the notch more interactive on devices that ordinarily don't make use of it for anything special. One of the biggest changes for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup in 2022 was the introduction of the Dynamic Island, and now I'm gonna show you how to get Dynamic Island on older devices. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source. After adding the source, go to the search. Now here search for Dynamic Peninsula. This is the tweak. As you see here, this tweak is compatible with my device because I'm on iOS 14. After installing this tweak, you will get dynamic island effects on your device. This tweak supports iPhone X, XS, 11, 12, 13, and so on. And it also works on calls. And install it. Click Modify, Install. I already installed it, so I will not. After you go to the settings to activate the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is to buy the tweak and then activate the tweak from here. Okay guys, this tweak isn't free. While the tweak is free to download, users will need to purchase a license for $4 to activate the tweak. You should also note that the tweak only supports iOS 13 and iOS 14 devices at this time. From here you can disable the tweak in any of these options. You can disable the tweak in calls, music, or anywhere you want. Now how does this tweak work? It's simple. After downloading and enabling the tweak, just go and play some music. Okay, I will play some music and boom, as you see, this tweak will bring these beautiful animations to your device. Now I have Dynamic Island on my iPhone X running iOS 14. Now I'm gonna try using the timer. This tweak is really cool and will make the notch more interactive with this beautiful animation. The only thing that I don't like about this tweak is that it doesn't provide any options to customize the dynamic notch size. And guys, of course, I mean X offset and Y offset. And I think that developer understand what I mean. Otherwise, the tweak is really cool. Alright guys, this tweak is really good tweak and you will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Peace.